welcome back to Clevver Style. So the day has come where we have finally gotten our hands on Selena Gomez's brand new Rare Beauty collection.
For those of you that don't know, I'm Vivian from the Spanish channel, and we basically talk about Selena Gomez every other day, if not every day. So I'm super excited for this launch.
Obviously, we're gonna check out the packaging, we're gonna see how it looks, and I wanted to get the full experience. So yes, I am prepped and primed and ready to go.
That way we can really put these products to the test and then rate them by price, packaging, and pigment. So we're gonna use the emoji system, and today I'm gonna go with the Memoji because why not personalize it, right?
All right, for my emoji, I wanna do the shooting star because that's what Selena Gomez is to me. She really truly is like a shooting star in my life. A glimmer of hope in this sad, dark world.
That's so sweet.
So Rare Beauty is basically all about embracing your beauty as it is already and just kind of accentuating it with her product. She talks all about accepting who you are and loving your rareness.
So she even said, like, I don't wanna be perfect, I just wanna be me. I wanna be you too, Selena. Eponge, I'm reading the French side. Wow, all right. Liquid Touch Multitasking Sponge. So all of the packaging is really similar to this, which I really like. I think it's really clean and simple, and it's not very overwhelming.
So this is Stell's version of a beauty blender, and I like the color.
It doesn't feel like my current sponge. My current sponge is like microfiber. I feel like this is a little bit more porous than microfiber. All right, so here we go. The foundation, the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. So I got it in shade 310W. First off, the packaging is amazing. I really, really like this packaging. I think it's really nice. I think it's really simple. Something about the bottle gives me KKW vibes a little bit, but I think this is super cute.
I'll take 10.
So let's see if the color of foundation that the girl helped me pick. Ooh, and it's a little different. It doesn't have a pump. Ooh, I kind of like this. I think the color is my color. I don't know how I feel about the applicator thing. It's like a lip gloss applicator, but okay. I'll use my little sponge. The girl is good. This is literally my color. This is 210N, which is probably neutral, I assume?
Okay, so what I will say immediately, like first thoughts, is this is so incredibly light. It doesn't even feel like a cream. It straight up feels like liquid, like water. It's very, very hydrating. It's very, very light, and it does not cake, you know, like you can have the option of having a more fresh face, and I do like that.
First thoughts, it's lightweight, but it's not that sheer, so you can build up if you want more coverage. The sponge feels a little different. It's a little thick, but I guess it helps you finish your makeup faster.
I mean, so yeah, after the second application, I definitely feel like a lot better about it in terms of coverage.
So remember, Selena's line is all about embracing your inner beauty. It's about basically bringing out the beauty that you already have. So I like the line. It's very minimalistic and it's not too crazy. Now I need to apply concealer, which now that I'm looking at it, it might be a little light. This color is 190W, and I think the applicator is probably gonna be the same thing as the foundation. Yep. Oh no, it doesn't look that light, but look, it's like a little lip gloss brush type thing.
I needed to get a concealer that's more on the peachy, like orangey side, and a little bit more warmer. So this is actually 310 and my concealer is actually 340. So it's a little bit darker, but it's gonna be better for my skin tone. I feel like this consistency is perfect for blending. Like this is so nice. It's blending like incredibly. This is really good. Like this is really, really good.
Good for you.
A little light. I think it's a little too light. Well, let's see, once I blend. Okay, let's see. So it's a little on the brighter side.
You guys, I found a new amazing concealer. I am going to be trying out the brow pencil next. So this is the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel. Ooh, this is really cute packaging too. And I got it in a deep brown. So it is pencil on one side and a gel on the other. I mean, I really like this pencil. Like, I like the shape of it. All right, you have to be careful. This goes on like so well. It like falls off the pencil onto your eyebrow. I do like that because I feel like that means it's gonna last a long time because you don't have to really apply a lot of pressure. You're getting a lot of color off of it. Yeah, it's kind of like a regular applicator gel. It's on the thinner side, which I actually do like. Like, it's super thin. I like the size of it. It's not like that big overpowered, so I feel like this is better for details, you know? Yeah, I like this. I like this brow stuff a lot. All right, so moving on to eyeliner, we have the Perfect Strokes Eyeliner Liquid Matte. Ooh, this packaging's so nice. Yeah, that's really good, you guys. Holy crap, this is nice. Big fan, big fan.
My bad.
First impression, it's dark. It glides on really, really well. I'm gonna make sure it dries because I don't wanna open my eye and then get it on the top of my eyelid. I think it could be a little darker. Hold on, let me do a second layer. Okay, I like it, I like it.
Okay, so I did one crazy wing liner just to see, and I'm pretty impressed. Like, I feel like I'm seeing like a little bit of bleeding on my lid that I'm noticing with this thing because it's so thick and I can actually see it. I mean, it does go on so nicely. I'm also going like way faster than I ever have in my life, and I feel like I'm not messing up that much because the tip of it's really precise.
First thoughts on the eyeliner, I really like it. It's dark, it's black, and it is matte, so it doesn't shine.
All right, so we are moving along quite nicely. I really like the way everything's holding up. I mean, I look a little bit crazy because I have one cat eye and one very casual eye, but they both look pretty good. All right, so next up, we're going to be doing the liquid blush. It is Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. Dewy is like the word of the century in makeup, you know? Everybody wants to look dewy. All right, so another amazing packaging. Yeah, this is really pink. So I usually don't go for pinker blushes. I usually go for more orangey blushes just because I have like really yellowy undertones, like peach undertones. They're warmer, not cooler, so pink sometimes looks a little much. It says it's in the shade Happy, so it obviously comes in different shades, which is good because maybe if this one freaks me out a little bit, I have some options.
Let's try the blush. Okay, applying liquid blush is something very new for me. I think it's because she wants you to go for that more natural look. I don't know about this blush. What do you guys think? Can you see it? In person, it looks like little clown cheeks.
Oh my God, that's so pink. Yikes. Oh, for the love of God. This is insane looking. All right, let's give it a second. Let's give it a second. Yeah, that's gonna be a hell no from me.
Dog, keep it up though.
This is so not my shade, like at all. The color is amazing, the pigment's incredible. So maybe I shouldn't have put 2 drops, maybe I should have just put 1. But like, I really don't feel like I used a lot, and a lot of it's coming through.
I've never been a fan of liquid blush. Maybe for beach days when you don't wear foundation, it's easier to apply, but I don't really know how. Maybe I put too much.
But I mean, if you like pink, this is a good pink. The pigment's crazy, like actually crazy. Yeah, wow, that's impressive. Okay, so now we're going to put on the lip cream in the shade Inspire. This is a really cute box. It's slightly different than all the other packaging. Yeah, man, I got some serious KKW vibes from this. And the applicator, again, it's like that soft applicator.
Let's go with Motivate, because we all need some motivation, right? Ooh, this feels good. It feels silky.
So yummy. I mean, it's going on really nicely, like really soft, which I like. I like the edge of it too, like it still allows you to kind of line it if you want to line it. Again, it's a product that starts out with the options for it to be more on the natural side, which I really like because it kind of like allows you to layer it if you want to do a more extreme color or more of like an everyday color.
Okay, I think this is one of my favorites. I like the fact that it's matte. It feels really good. It feels like it's not gonna crack. It feels like it's gonna last.
I really like this a lot, you guys. This feels really good on my lips. I'm a big fan of this so far. All right, so moving right along, we have the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in Mesmerize. Whoa, it's like rose gold. It's freaking cute. It says a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting lit from within glow. I mean, this can make me a more beautiful person on the inside too, then this is a product I might have to really truly invest in.
Who says you're not perfect?
I do want to try on the illuminator. Ooh, this one feels nice and glowy. Let me see. You see that?
I'm nervous after that blush. I'm like, maybe I should not put a lot on because, again, it's pink. But it's more of like a lighter pink, so let's see here. That's really nice, you guys. It's not too extreme either, which I like. It's like really like more of a like dewy look
The word of the century.
than a full-on like glitter look, you know, like a highlight, which I actually really like and appreciate. Definitely adding this to my day-to-day kit. Can you tell I'm starting to feel myself?
I'm so rare.
And then rounding out the collection, we have the Blot Glow kit. So this is just like a touch-up kit that you use throughout the day. I do like that she has a kit like this because sometimes that's like all you're missing from a collection, you know? You're like, thank you for giving me all the things to paint my face, Now, how do I maintain it?
So since she didn't necessarily sell a powder, I assume this powder is gonna be kind of like the replacement. Ooh, look at how cute. I'm gonna be concerned about it getting dirty, but I like the color. Again, it's very minimalistic, it's very simple.
All right, so we have blotting sheets and this little poof, which there's no powder on here, so I don't know if there's supposed to be powder that goes in here or how that works.
Or if I'm doing this right.
It comes with a little sponge. Wait,
Does it come with the powder?
was I supposed to buy it?
So I'm like a little bit weird about blotting sheets. I always have been. I've always felt like blotting sheets are not good for your skin, you know? Like, I feel like they make it more oily because then your face starts to try to overcompensate. But I do already like the way these feel. They're not as thick. They feel like more natural, you know? They're not like the thick ones. Oh yeah, I mean, it's definitely blotting. Gross.
Doesn't really smell like anything. Normally they smell like rice. So very confused as to why, but it says blotting powder and paper. So like, where's my powder? There's nothing in there, right? I'm not going crazy.
I take the powder puff, I tap it twice on my hand to activate the powder inside, and then I just press it wherever I want to blur.
I do understand kind of having a really nice poof with a really like good blending ability and not having to put more powder on your face. And so maybe this is like a really good option if you don't want to keep powdering your face and you still just want to like add a couple of, you know, blendy blends here and there. All right, so that does it for the Rare Beauty collection. Honestly, Selgo killed this. Overall, I freaking love the packaging. There's something really sophisticated and chic to it. It's really like inclusive, I guess, you know, like I could really see how, you know, people of all different skin tones would be really comfortable approaching a brand like this just simply based on packaging, because packaging can be really overwhelming. Yeah, I really respect the packaging. So on packaging, I would definitely give this 5 shooting stars.
So packaging, we're gonna go ahead and give it 5 memojis because I am obsessed with the simplicity of it. White packaging definitely stood out in the store when you walked in. Everyone's going bright, so I feel like when you go minimal and you go white, it's gonna stand out.
All right, for pigment, there is literally like so many incredible products that have crazy good pigment. Case in point, this pink blush. So the pink blush wasn't for me because I could clearly see that it didn't blend in as nicely. I mean, at this point, I feel it's actually blending like a lot better than it was earlier.
Oh, for the love of God.
So I think for pigment, I would give it a 4 out of 5. It's almost perfect.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it 4 memojis. I feel like this line definitely lives up to its name of enhancing your natural beauty. So it's not a line that you're gonna wanna use for like wedding makeup or that kind of thing. It's more of a day-to-day makeup. For me, again, I'm like, I like to put on a lot of it. And you know how they say sometimes you can't really see the makeup on camera, so you have to add a little bit more, hence the lashes that I added just now.
And then the price, I think it goes without saying that this is priced so well. It's a freaking steal, you guys. Like honestly, $29 for a foundation, a big bottle of foundation, and with everything else ranging from teens to 20s. Yeah, I feel like this is exactly what the world needed right now because it's just so easy to spend a lot of money on makeup. So I think for price, I'd have to give it 5 out of 5 shooting stars because I'm just so impressed. I'm so impressed.
This one's a hard one because I'm a true believer in like investing in your face because that's basically like your presentation to the world. So I always feel like using quality products is super important and I rather sacrifice other expenses and spend money on makeup. But overall, I think the line is affordable. I don't think it's too expensive. We're not talking like Armani prices where the foundation is like 60 bucks. She kept the prices a little bit lower so that younger people could wear her line.
I mean, overall, I'm really happy and it just feels really good. But yeah, no, I am like super happy, you guys. This is really good stuff. Also this concealer, like go get it. Like go get it like yesterday. Seriously, like do it. It's a game changer.
I did like the foundation a lot. I don't know about the concealer. I think maybe I need to play around with it. In terms of lips, even though I tend to use less lip color on a daily basis, I really like how these feel.
If you guys have tried Selena's new collection, then please drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you have a favorite product? And then of course, we do this all the time, so go check out some of our other makeup review videos. And we need some more suggestions for what collection to try out next. If you're ready, come and get it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.